Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Family's Kitchen. Today let's make delicious creamy mango leches. Let's prepare mango milk. Take a juicer, add 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons fresh cream, ready-made mango pulp 4 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons condensed milk, some mango chunks, blend it and keep it aside. Now let's prepare mango cream. 1 cup whipping cream, 1 whip it till you get soft peaks. Then add in 9 to 10 tablespoons of mango pulp alongside 1 teaspoon of hazelnut essence. Whip it till you get medium soft peak. Now let's assemble our dessert. Add in some store-bought vanilla sponge, or you can also use sweetbread. Dip vanilla sponges in mango milk and assemble it in a dish. Then add more mango milk in it. Add some mango chunks. Cover it with whipping cream. Garnish it with some more mangoes. And vanilla sponge crumbs. Chill it for 4 to 5 hours in refrigerator before serving. Your delicious creamy mango leches is ready to serve.